Understanding Biscuit Base, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, biscuit base. This phrase might sound simple, but it's a great example of how everyday language can be full of surprises. So, let's dive in and understand what biscuit base really means. Biscuit base is a term commonly used in cooking, particularly in the context of making desserts. It refers to a layer or foundation made from crushed biscuits, or cookies, as known in some regions, that is often combined with butter and sometimes sugar. This mixture is pressed into the bottom of a dish to form a solid base or crust for various desserts like cheesecakes and tarts. The term, biscuit base, is more prevalent in British English. In American English, you might hear cookie crust used instead, reflecting the different terminologies for biscuits in the UK and cookies in the US. This highlights an interesting aspect of English. The same concept can have different names in different English-speaking cultures. Let's see how biscuit base can be used in sentences. 1. For the cheesecake, we'll start by preparing a biscuit base. 2. Make sure the biscuit base is firm before adding the filling. 3. I love how the crunchy biscuit base complements the creamy topping. While a biscuit base is typically made with plain biscuits, there are variations. You can use flavored biscuits like ginger snaps or chocolate cookies for a different taste. The key is to achieve a texture that's firm enough to hold the filling but also crumbly enough to cut easily. That's all about biscuit base. I hope this video helps you understand not just the term itself, but also a bit about the cultural variations in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context and culture they reflect. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.